Okay, welcome to the Dewan Trade. This is Dewan. So this channel is for my day trading personal recap, um, and recording. So it will not only record all the actions I take as per the price action moves in real time, but also my appearance, my emotion, psychology, etc., and my how well I execute my trading plan. Today is December the 8th, 11:24 PST AM. 11:24 AM PST. Yeah. So it's almost coming to the end of the market close. It seems like we missed another million. There is a very clear deterministic move like Dow Chain, and we missed that. And overall, it's Dow Chain. So we see the downward momentum. Uh, is decreasing here. So there is a potential like bump up. So there is a bump up, but overall it's still downtrend. So around here, this is a battlefield that it gets rejected again. Sellers resume control around here and showing a strong determination. Yeah. So downtrend continues. So this bump up just conceal all this like gradual vanishing or decreasing like downward momentum. Somebody just resume. So here there could be some other um another wave of bump up. I don't know. But overall this is downtrend, so we need to only look for opportunity to go short. Chances are that today it exceeds somewhere around here, like 655 to 690, so 40 points above ENA 21. So we're expecting another six, six, 60 points above ENA 21. And we're gonna go short as long as we see this micro triangle consolidation and we see rejection like very long upward shadow line, something like this. But here we cannot go short because we are not sure when it happened. You see, this is in a downward channel. It looks like the downward momentum is decreasing, so it's accumulating power for another big bump up. And even we know there's a big bump up, we cannot go long because overall is short. So it's possible that there is no bump up. There's no bump up. It just goes slash directly. So yeah, so overall, we can only look for opportunity to go short. Don't try to chase every single move. Let's see. So last Friday, I mean the previous trading day, we make a severe mistakes. So distribution drop down is like $550. Okay, that means if we lost more than this number, we're gonna blow this account. So mental control is pretty critical under such circumstance. Let's see if we're gonna blow account or we're gonna survive today. Let's make it, what's 1 hour? Oh, from 1 hour, it just retest to the trend line and it break out of the trend line. So we're gonna retest. You're gonna retest somewhere here. I mean, ideally. I don't mean it was surely from 1 hour chart because it break out of this upward channel. You see? So we'll see if it reduces to here or it just reduce somewhere and reduce the Dow chain. Then we can go short from there. But it's not necessarily happen before the market close. It could happen during like London session or Asian session. So chances are that so it's quite possible that we don't have a opportunity to get into a trade today. Let me see. Oh, that's dangerous. I mean, from the 1 hour, you see, okay, it hits the trend line and it bump up. So before the market open is something like here. The first candle is trying to go up. So I see, okay, it hit the trend line, it's going up, so go long. It will be easy to like make the decision to go long. But you see, this is the trap. It actually go down. This is dangerous. Dangerous. We actually go down and break out of this upward band from 1 hour. So we'll wait and see. In 5 minutes, let's draw the trend line. And see this one. This is support and this is resistance, indicating this. Okay, indicating this line. Yeah, this is downward candle becomes decreasing, which leads to this bump. But this bump is not strong enough. It get to the battlefield and get rejected here. And push back. What's the point I draw trend line for the past? Because I want to see how the pattern for today. So not any single pattern gonna be persistent, but chances are that, I mean, big chances are that the same pattern gonna happen for the day. For example, you can see maybe I should draw two trend line. One is indicating the sideway, the triangle consolidation here, and the other one is um, something like this. So it's consolidation. Obviously, this is a triangle consolidation. Okay, then it looks like it's already, let me be more clear, it's already at the peak of the triangle. So time to decide where you're gonna break to the upside or to the downside. But from ES, from NQ, is still a little bit lower than the battlefield. So I'm expecting the battle happens here. So it should probably like move here and start battling and up, down. But I don't know. Oh, you know what? When you see the not NQ, it seems like it's gonna go up, but the ES is showing the is going down from the very beginning. So there will be some divergence at first. So for ES, if you draw this trend line and you see, okay, outbreak and retest to here, and you see, okay, it's going back. The retest gonna be up to here and start to bump up. And maybe you just trying to draw the trend line, say, hey, it's dropping so much, so there should be a retest something to here to the 0.6 something. So you draw the trend line like keep drawing the trend line like this one. Say, hey, whenever it breaks this trend line, time to go long, and you can. This is dangerous. You only make this and drop, and you don't have enough time to quit the trade with some minor profit. And here, okay, relatively big. Hopefully You get out of the trade after three green candles. This looks like gonna break out to the upside. But as we say, this is a retest. Overall, it's downtrend. Look for opportunity to go short only. Uh, and it's like 40 point above. Like where is it? Where is it? Is it here? Six. For example, 630. 40.6 70. So I'm expecting it arrives here. Okay, 670. Okay, it arrives to battlefield. And chances are that it does not arrive 670. 670 is theoretical assumption. Chances are that it start battering here and buyer lose. So seller resume the control, fall back. Anyway, just do not go long just because there are two like upward candle momentum. Mm. Yeah, if you draw this trend line, we'll see it does not even exist this one. It does not confirm anything. Mm. Especially when you see the RSI diverse, then even RSI back to the same level like 60, then the price action is way lower than this one. That means, okay, the downtrend continues. So we'll see. We'll wait for the RSI to reach 60. And I'm not sure where the price action can arrive. And we'll see a downward, something like this one. Some candle to confirm the downward, the end of the retest. Then we'll go short from there. From time to time, I think to use RSI to check if the downward if the retest is ending and it's not reversal. This is an effective use RSI divergence. The RSI arrive at the same level, but price action does not arrive. It's actually only half or 0.6 of the or just refill the FVG here. Okay, then some downward candle covering the previous upward candle and retest it ending. Something like this one, then I can go short from here. If you're not sure where to go short, then just wait for another candle and see it will tell you the upper bow and go short from here. We'll see. Sometimes maybe you don't want to wait for the first upward, downward covering candle. You just want to, what's this? Video notification. You just want to be more conservative. Then drop a trend line on the downside. And when it breaks this one, yeah, when it breaks this one, then you go short from there. That's more conservative. Conservative is good from time to time. especially when you operate a higher time frame. And a key point here is just make sure you wait for the compression of the candle. Wait for the compression until the the candle just close, confirm it's a downward candle, something like this. And in the RSI, it shows something like this. It does not move. In the middle, it will always move. So you need to confirm this downward something. Oh. It's not like, hey, it got rejected, so we should go short. No. Maybe just retest a little bit within this 5 minute range, consolidate and keep going up. So even it ended up with a downward candle, as long as it does not cover this one, then you can think of, oh, okay, this uptrend continues. Yeah, this is very dangerous. I get trapped a lot of times. See here, say, hey, there's a downward candle and retest this previous support. This is resistance, so there's a downward candle. Should I go short here? And you get full because it does not cover this previous upward candle. Um, okay. If this candle just keep going down and cover this previous or even this previous one or two candles, that means something. Then maybe you can think of, okay, sellers resume control. So be patient, wait. Even it covers this one, you don't need to go short immediately because there will be always be retest here. So wait for the next candle. If the next candle, the up is upward candle, it does not cover the downward candle, but it really arrives somewhere. Then the ending point could be our entry to go short. So just wait. Hmm. Sometimes maybe if the downward becomes so behavior, maybe drop this so that it's not a fake breakout. It's just it never breakout at all. That makes things easier. That makes the chart perceivable, retrieval easier. Something like this one. You can adjust like this. Yeah, it cross more peak point, but it's not breakout at all. See, it keeps going up. Just wait for one or two. Wait for the compression of one or two candle. You'll see it keeps going up. But if we draw the trend line like this, we know, okay, it's still sideways in this triangle. It's not really breakout. Yeah. If we break out to the top, will we try to go long from there? Maybe. But I will be very sensitive. It will be a quick money, quick scalping, like only like 10 points. And I'll leave the trade. Because it's dangerous to go against the big chain. Okay, let's see. Because if we break out to the upside, then there's very short distance the RSI will arrive at the same level. When you arrive at the same level, you need to be very cautious. Take exit, take profit, and leave the trade. Either you keep going up or it just resume from there. This is like we don't check the price action double top or double bottom. We check double top or double bottom with the RSI. Mm-hmm. It looks like ES is one intends to go up, while NQ has two like red candle, right? ES has two green candle. Let's see. So if they are still in a range, so nothing. But see if NQ breaks out to the downside. Breaks out normally means something. So I will probably go short on ES. It is still in the range. Mm, yeah, let's go short. Because NQ has already break out or get rejected. Now what about ES? ES still in the range. Can you cover the two? Why? See if you can finish this line and does not get rejected, that means downward reduce. As I say, it does not necessary to retest and refill FVG or refill like other blocks somewhere here or refill FVG. Trend line is like this. But if we cannot, then maybe we should not go short. Especially for ES, it has two green candle, while NQ shows a little bit weak on upward momentum. But overall, this micro trend is still upward, and we cannot conclude that this upward trend is ending at this time. I mean, overall it's downward here. Overall it's downward on the bigger time frame. Mm. Yeah, it's very easy to go short and go short at the bottom if it bounce back immediately. So maybe I should not start any trade. Yeah, it gets rejected. It's trying to step out of the band, but it gets rejected, see? And in this way, this becomes micro liquidity speed a little bit because somebody think, okay, go up, they go long, set the stop loss here and get liquidated. See, let's wait for the compression of this candle. Let's see. Mm-hmm. So if it keeps going up and exceeds this one, then maybe it reduces going up, and this becomes micro liquidity speed. I like something like this, liquidity speed, and some people think, okay, gonna go start retest here, then they get kicked out, and the retest happens this way. I'll see if this one exceeds this previous something close above this line. Then probably I can go long, but if I go long at this time, I will be conservative. Ready. Long or short? Hmm. Still battering. Then move this a little bit. It's still in the range, so no hurry. No fake breakout. And probably I should adjust this one. Adjust this one. Okay. I guess we can go long a little bit. Hmm. Oh, you don't want to retest to take me on board or something? Retest a little bit. Take me on board, please. Yeah, I just check at this line. I see you will retest to this line. Take me on board. Because it's trying to go long. But I'm not sure. It gets rejected here. Here. And now it's not even here, which is a lower low. You can think of this. But on the downside, it gets rejected more. Upside rejected, downside rejected. This is more dangerous. No. So I'm not rushed to get on board. If he does not take me on board, that's fine. I would like to wait for the more obvious confirmation. Okay, maybe I can set around here. Yeah, that's where maybe I check 3 minutes. That's more obvious. Step out of the range. Okay, and this is the beginning of the new candle. Yeah, if you are confused where to set the limit order in 5 minutes, just look at 3 minutes. Now it's still equal. It's not breakout. Yeah, from price action is breakout, but from price level, it's not yet. Mm-hmm. ENA is not arrived ENA yet. ENA is 17. So probably like I will take profit here. Be very conservative. Because the RSI gonna arrive here when it arrives here, as I estimate. Wow, it can reject it so much. That means this looks like a fake breakout. Oops, fake breakout. Yeah, get rejected is so long, so long. And if it exceeds here, then I probably need to quit. Some long rejection here, long rejection hour. This is dangerous. Oh, it does not look good on NQ. Mm-mm-mm. Sellers review on ES is going down. It ends up like breaking to the downside. No, it has not get rejected here. We can wait a little bit longer, but no add position. Here, we'll see if it gets rejected as previously. As is like 1, 2, 3. Hmm. Do not use reverse because we'll see if it gets rejected here at the same price level or it close above this or get rejected something. Yeah, let's wait. Let's get one more and see. Keep going down. Oh, get rejected. It looks like downward resumes. I'm not sure because it was previously get rejected like this. This is very difficult trade. Maybe I should not trade at all, but this is like somewhat behavior, somewhat something. Oh, fake breakout if that's the case. Oh, it keeps going down. It does not show any upward. Yeah. Okay, so the retest ends here and we miss this trend, but what's that we miss? actually we can go short from here, can we? So there's no like it does not even enter into the traveling the battering field, does not feel FVG, does not feel other block. RSI does not even arrive at the same level. It just drop. So I will perform a sell here. 6. Hmm. Maybe I should wait for something like this to happen. This is more obvious breakout and breakout to the top, to the bottom, which aligns to the overall the big trend. It will retest back to somewhere between ENA 9 or ENA 21, is it? No, it will not retest. Hmm. Oh, it only retest to ENA 9. So on the first covering candle we enter, that's aggressive entry. So be patient, not moving the limit order. But when you break out the previous low and confirm downtrend reduce and we entry, that's a conservative entry. But that's the risk is like we're gonna go short at the bottom. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. Yeah, if we arrive out exceeds here and we go short from here, that probably that it bounce back. We go short at the bottom. Hmm. Maybe somewhere here. Look at 3 minutes. Okay, somewhere here. That's reasonable. So the next candle tells you the upper bound you can retest. If something it behave like this, then it's not there's no reversal. I guess then there should be a retest. I need to retest here and continue downway. So if it becomes red, and I'll go with one with a complementary order like here. Look at ES, look at NQ. If we will exceed the previous low, oh, you gotta fight back. Hmm. No, cannot increase because liquidation is here. We're gonna blow their cow. Liquidation is the stop loss. So we're gonna take profit here. Value exists. This is the previous low. Okay. Continue. Oh, so take profit here. Six. Because in that way, you can at least arrive with his like double bottom, and regardless if we continue to go down or bounce back, then at least you will arrive at the previous low. That's what I'm expecting, and cancel this. Three-minute line. So this 5 minute is just here, so it's not safe to put a stop loss to secure profit at this time. Just wait for it to arrive here. And not at deletion. Otherwise, the liquidation is going to be too dangerous. You can probably retest to the liquidation. The liquidation is our stop loss, the last trade. This could probably be the last trade of the day. Uh, what meaning? You cannot break out this level. Buyers are defending here. Oh God. Oh God. I hope this is a healthy consolidation rather than a reversal. How come a strong something like this and a rejection like this and still a reversal? Don't fool me. Oh, ES is covering the previous downward candle. That means a potential reversal, but NQ cannot cover. ES cover, oh, that's not good. What about NQ? Oh, NQ is trying to cover. God, not good. Oh, you could probably retest to here. I mean, you retest here, that's reasonable. See if ENNI is an effective defense. For ES, okay. For now, it looks like effective. Defense This is not a reversal. This is just retest, right? Oh, retest is ending. That's great. But I cannot add a position here because it's gonna track my liquidation even more closer, which makes things even more dangerous. Cover this one and to confirm the downtrend resume. If you keep going out, then I will probably need to quit. You kidding me? Come on. Hmm. The ENNI. Okay, so far it's defending. But ES has already break ENNI and C is ENA 21 that's defending. For NQ, it's ENNI is defending. My stop loss cannot even arrive at like ENA 21 here. So it keeps going up. Oh, guess what? I probably need to get kicked out, blow my account. Hmm. Oops. God, Jesus. The retest is ending here. I hope. So actually, the breakout candle and the next candle after the breakout candle defines the upper bound, we can go along the direction. So just set the limit order here and don't move. It will always retest. Believe it. Believe the market will always retest. Something like this. So if I set a entry here, then my stop loss will probably be here. That will be safe. If it breaks here, then that means trend reversal. Then we should take the stop loss. But here, no. Even you retest to here, then it's just retest. It's not reversal. So let's see how strong the defense of ENNI is this time. Hmm. The way we'll go short at almost the bottom. That's the thing I don't want to see. After we go short, immediately change the direction. Oh Lord, this is a market. seems like it's still trying to going up. I cannot break ENA 9 anymore, and ES cannot break ENA 21. Hmm. Oh, you're gonna kick me out. Almost. I would say almost. Come on. Ending the retest. Get me another huge covering downward candle. Waiting for that. Mm. Oh, no. Order was executing and account was removed. Okay, this three candle means potential hour, but I'm not sure. Actually, it can arrive here and appear and triggers the defense and another huge downward candle. So I'm not sure, but I get kicked out. So we'll wait a little bit, but ES is already breakout. It seems ES breakout and NQ is still in a range. So we'll see this candle if ES close above this line. Yes, close about this line, then we can go long for NQ. But wait a minute, you kick me out and you resume to Dow Chen. God, let me see. Just two simple trade and I blow my account today. Hmm. Yeah, if I set the order here, then the stop loss will be here. That will be safe. So always check the next candle to set the limit order. Mm. Mm. How you retest to this line? Is it coincident? So does it ending the retest? ENA 21. Back retest to ENA 21. And this back test outside way above ENA 21. Yes. Is it a retest or just reversal? Guess I should enter into a short trade at this time. See ESS break to the downside and NQ just even in the range. Oh no, even that. Okay. If I get one more opportunity, I get both. Hmm. Okay, I'm still too rush, like FOMO. After I see this, and it's something I should wait for the compression of the 5 minute candle. And it will always retest. So no hurry. If it's not retest, that's not an opportunity for me. And even if falls to here before it keeps going down, then I can always set the limit order here at this battering field. Um, yeah, at the upper bound of this battering field, go short from here. I mean, even if it's reversal going up, then my stop loss is somewhere here. This instance is to make my loss way smaller. But I will probably set the limit order here and going down. But if it does not retest, it just going down directly, then that's not my trade. Oh, but looks like this is sideway. It's consolidation for something. Let me see if it really goes down before I end today's trading session. Okay, if for yes, if at the boundary it just something like this and it is breaking up, then chances are that it just breaking up. But the same pattern here at this previous support, current resistance, it just sideways, and shows a breakout something. So I go long around here. I think I go long. Yeah, go long for yes around here and gets full. It back retest to somewhere here. And now it trying to like consolidate around this critical level, previous support, and resistance something. So I think it's gonna resist, but it keeps consolidation and shows upward breakout. So maybe yes breakout, then NQ in the range, then maybe we need to go long for NQ at this time. Oh, so actually, if we draw the trend line like this, something from here to here, okay, it gets rejected, any breakout, something. That makes things meaningful. Okay, downward and break the trend line and something, and retest, and then keep moving up. That makes things clear. So it's not always good to like adjust the trend line and to wrap a bigger scope, something, just something like this. Oh, there's no perfect solution. Sometimes you just need to adjust your for example, if you see this tool, then adjust your trend line, something like this. But sometimes you should not. You just watch this rejection here and watch this one. So it follow this trend line across so many lines, something. Um, break out and respect the new support and go long here and targeting profit here for this time. So, so I don't know. Let me see if I can get any heuristic. So previous support and resistance becomes resistance something and breakout. So does it follow this one? If we breakout and you will retest to somewhere around here. Okay, so extend the line that cross the support and resistance something. Then there could be a potential important indicator. Hmm. Wait for a couple of minutes. Let's see if it breaks out to the upside or go down. And another lesson is like when next time when I see this, so upward long shadow line and downward shadow line and upward liquidity speed indicating down and downward liquidity speed indicating up, then do not go into a trade. Do not go into a trade when I see something like this. That means it's still sideways. And as long as it does not close above this line or close beneath this line, then don't go into a trade. It's just sideways. Now this looks like upward something. Oh, but ESS shows some covering downward. NQ is always up, always green. Obviously, ES reaches the upper bound, the micro resistance level, so gets rejected a little bit. NQ has not triggered this one. I mean, the resistance happens here. When it triggers here, some sell order, huge sell order gets triggered and it continues so much. Mhm. So eventually we need to expand it, bigger scope, and expand it. So which means this sideways triangle has not ended so fast. Oh. Oh, another lesson is like when we see, um, it's overall downtrend, and we look for the reversal. Then we need to wait until it really break out and retest and show something like this. But this is a trap. Then whenever I see this line, I will go long around here, but I will get kicked out for this market chain, for this downtrend, because this is like breakout, really breakout, and then retest and showing buyer resume control. So I will probably go long somewhere around here and still get kicked out. And wait for it breakout and retest and show long and go along the direction. I mean, that's how we trade reversal. Do not be rushed to pursue the breakout because it could probably be a fake breakout. Ah, mm. Is it a real reversal? For NQ is intended to go long, to go up. Hmm. Traps everywhere. Regardless what strategy you use, you get trapped. It's just a matter of probability. And never do this trade. I mean, this long trade. Even I think you're gonna arrive at feeling the FVG or feeling the order block. No. And wait for the RSI to arrive at the same level. No. You already test something like this. Okay, it breaks out. but ES is not is there in the range, so probably go long at ES. But NQ is not obvious breakout. Okay, obviously breakout. Then this time go long at ES. It falls back immediately, then it's a fake breakout. So even we see immediate, we see some relatively obvious breakout, then watch for the next candle. Oh, for NQ is the retest. For ES, it does not cover. Seems like it's gonna cover. Oh, it's gonna go down. For ES, it shows a downtrend. It covered the previous upward candle. And for the RSI, yeah, there is some divergence. So in this way, I can go short and NQ. So don't go long when it's just not an obvious breakout, something like this. CES has show very meaningful downward momentum. So hopefully NQ will follow. So this is a fake breakout. Oh, it got defended by ENA 9. What about ES? Oh, this is another trap. It's not really go down. Maybe I should draw this as a no trading though. Something like this. Something like this. If it falls into this area, then this is no trading. So if it goes down, that's why we can go short. But if you want to go long, wait until it break out meaningful breakout and retest to somewhere around here and resume upward. Then we can go long. Something like this, because it's gonna get rejected. We cannot conclude that okay, downward resumes, downtrend resumes. Can we? Select account. Oh, I'm not gonna trade today. Not gonna trade today. Switch to a new account tomorrow. Yeah, for ES, it's just reach the lower bound of the range and gets rejected, and that's why we should not trade. Hmm. looks like another huge downward candle happens here. So really get rejected in the band. Continue downside. Okay. Okay. So meaningful rejection at this level. Okay. So just take profit somewhere around the previous rejection. Somebody is defending right there. See how strong is the seller. And if this candle, I just watch like 3 more minutes. If this candle bounce back, then I know, okay, we just need to follow. We don't get fooled by this big momentum candle. We after this big momentum, watch the next one, or we just draw the parallel consolidation band. Okay. Very big retest. So probably continue go down. Hmm. Well, okay. It's not continue to go down. So if I gonna trade, I gonna get checked again. So this is not the right market to trade. Just walk away. That's it for today. Thank you very much.